Can I fix the heat on no heat error on my own, or do I need to call a professional?
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be discussing the heat on no heat error that can sometimes occur with heating systems. We will determine whether you can fix this issue on your own or if you need to call a professional. Let's dive in, and remember to pay attention to the bold parts for key information.
What is the heat on no heat error?
The heat on no heat error refers to a situation where your heating system is running, but it's not producing any heat. This can be caused by a variety of factors, including thermostat issues, a malfunctioning heating element, or problems with the distribution system.
Can I fix it myself?
The answer to this question largely depends on your comfort level with DIY projects and your familiarity with your heating system. Here are some common causes and potential solutions. 1. Thermostat issues. Make sure your thermostat is set to heat, and the temperature is set higher than the current room temperature. If the thermostat is battery operated, try replacing the batteries. 2. Heating element problems. If you have an electric heater, a broken heating element might be the culprit. Replacing a heating element can be a DIY project, but it requires some electrical knowledge and safety precautions. 3. Distribution system issues. If you have a forced air system, check your air filters and ductwork for blockages. Clean or replace filters as needed, and inspect the ductwork for any visible damage.
When should I call a professional?
If you're not comfortable troubleshooting your heating system, or if the issue persists after trying the above solutions, it's time to call a professional. Here are some situations where professional help is recommended. 1. Gas furnace issues. If you have a gas furnace and suspect a problem with the pilot light, gas valve, or other components, it's best to call a professional due to the potential safety hazards. 2. Complex system problems. Some heating systems, like radiant floor heating or hydronic systems, can be more complex to diagnose and repair. In these cases, it's best to consult a professional. 3. Recurring issues. If you've tried fixing the problem yourself but it keeps coming back, a professional can help identify the root cause and provide a more lasting solution. In conclusion, whether you can fix the heat on no heat error on your own depends on your comfort level with DIY projects and the specific issue with your heating system. Some problems can be resolved by simple troubleshooting, while others may require professional assistance. We hope this video has been helpful and provided some guidance on when to tackle the issue yourself and when to call a professional. Good luck!